In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your region on Steam. The first thing that we need to do is to exit Steam. So you want to right click on it and then select exit Steam. Right here, once you have shut down Steam, then you want to open up NordVPN. I'm going to leave a link in the description, also as a pinned comment. Here, this is the VPN that works for me. So you will get this. You will need to purchase NordVPN. You can change it to a 1 month plan as well here, just to get the basic, protection or the change. And here, once you have NordVPN open, you will search for the country or region which you want to change to. So for example, let's just do Turkey. So I've just changed it to Turkey right here. And if I go into Steam now and I try to purchase a game, I'm just going to show you that this works. So right here, it's going to log you in. It might ask you to sign into your account again. Okay, just like that. And let's say that we want to purchase this game. So you want to open it up. So you open up the game itself, and here you will see add to cart, and you can add it to your cart. And if you actually want to change your currency as well, then what you have to do, so if you want to change your currency as well, you will go into your cart, and here it is gonna show you the country. So you will see country, and then you want to go and select the new region, and here you will just click on yes, this is my billing address, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.